Tired of missing your favorite NBA team dominate? Today, we're breaking down how to unlock every dribble, dunk, and three-pointer directly on your LG Smart TV using NBA League Pass. First things first, power on your LG Smart TV and navigate to the LG Content Store. This is your app hub for all things entertainment. Once inside the LG Content Store, use the search function to type in NBA League Pass. Make sure you spell it correctly for the best results. Locate the official NBA League Pass app in the search results. It usually has the NBA logo on it. Select the app to proceed. On the apps page, you'll find a button labeled Install. Click on it to begin downloading and installing the NBA League Pass app onto your LG Smart TV. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the NBA League Pass app on your LG Smart TV home screen or in your apps section. Select it to launch the app. Now, you'll be prompted to either sign in with your existing NBA League Pass account or create a new one if you already have a subscription. Enter your username and password. And there you have it. You're now inside the NBA League Pass app on your LG Smart TV. Browse through live games, upcoming schedules, replays, and more to catch all the NBA action you can handle. Enjoy the game.